The Queen is not herself short of money, but she shares concerns about the state of the economy nevertheless. The vaults of the Bank of England contain 64,000 gold bars, each worth £500,000. But the Queen was more interested in one simple question: what went wrong? She'd asked it at the London School of Economics 4 years ago. Today, someone told her.
Finally, you'll get an answer.
The key points: unpredictability, a lack of regulation, and a failure to understand how interconnected the system had become. The monarch offered her own summary.
I suppose in money terms, it is very difficult to foresee. But people have got a bit lax, you know? Complacency.
I suppose in money terms it's very difficult to foresee, she said. But people handled it a bit lax, did they? Complacency? And she had a question about the Financial Services Authority.
Which was really quite new, wasn't necessarily really. But it didn't have any teeth or something.
Visitors here are asked to sign a banknote, something the Queen had first done in 1937 at the age of 11.
Hasn't improved much, you know.
A reference to her signature, not the economy. They gave the Queen flowers, and Prince Philip gave them a light-hearted warning on the financial crisis. Don't let it happen again, he said.